Hey folks, my name is Dimitri and this is a video for beautiful 2012 Cadillac Escalade. This one is a hybrid, Platinum Edition, beautiful full size SUV, 4-wheel drive at Car City Inc. Got 149,000 miles, but is in excellent condition, very well kept. Gas saver, body looks great, very clean, nice tires, nice rims, a beautiful grille right there, classy look. It's got clean Carfax, clean title, definitely guys have a nice look. Like I said, tires in great shape, nice chrome rims. There is running boards. Beautiful SUV ready for summer trips. Extra clean inside, just came from the detail. As you can see, it's an excellent condition. Nice wood trim. Again, full loaded with DVD. Yeah, it's a mint condition, guys. Very beautiful car. No warning lights. Again, climate control, heated seats, Bluetooth, all those nice features just for you. Again, interior, the leather is in good shape. Third row is right there. Your kid's gonna love the DVD. You can enjoy the beautiful, nice ride. Just stop by at Car City Inc. We can help you with the finance. We have very nice selection of used vehicles with the easy finance, with extended warranties. You know, with the minimum down payment, you can live with this beautiful SUV today. So check us out, give us a chance, stop by and buy this beautiful Cadillac. Thank you for watching this video and have a great day.